Hello friends, today we will have to solve this algebraic identity problem. So what is the problem? If x plus 1 by x equals to 6, then we have to find the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. This is a very easy problem, so we have to just solve it systematically. So what is the value we have to find? This is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So first of all, let us write that expression. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. If we derive this, we can find x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square, right? So we can write this one in this form also. So what is this formula stands for? X square whole square plus 2x square plus into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square whole square. It means x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2, right? If we further solve this equation, this form, we can even write in that form. This is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square. It is nothing but we can write it in that form, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, right? So x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 whole square minus 2, right? See, this x square plus 1 by x square, this expression we can write in that form, right? And then we are putting the whole square because it is under the whole square. So we have got this expression, right? So now we have been given the value of x plus 1 by x as 6, right? So we have to just put the value of 6 here into this equation. So we can write in that way, 6 square minus 2 whole square minus 2, right? Again, 6 square means 36. 36 minus 2 whole square minus 2, right? That means 34 square, right? 34 square minus 2, right? So what is the value of 34 square? 34 to 34 means 136. So means 1156, right? So 1156 minus 2. So the ultimate answer would be 1154. So this is the required answer. So thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe and share. Thanks a lot.